Okay, so I recording a example ulit. Kasi yung kanina nawala. So let's be concise here. Medyo ano ko, pipisan ko. What we have is high here, a high here, a high here. So those are higher low, higher lows natin. Ayan, sige. Diba? Sa market structure, like I mentioned, alam natin na market structure is bearish kapag nagtitake siya ng lower low lagi instead of high. It's just taking a low and creating another low, which is a lower low. So, and so this is our basic market structure. One to this one to this one. I don't know. This one. It's not valid. It's not too valid. Let's ulitin natin. This is a low that's taken. Ito yung market structure shift natin. Ito here. MSS happen. Kasi hindi niya kinuha yung high. Instead, created a lower high. Then breaks this low. Meron siyang higher low. Yun yung pinakamataas niya. Kinuha niya lahat to. Pero, hindi niya pa rin binibreak to. And nag-create siya ng bago low instead. This one. This one. So, we can say na market structure shift from bullish, but we can say bullish kasi ito yung trend niya. If we plot that out, ito yung tsura niya. Diba? It created this one. So, in this part, it fails kasi. So, hindi niya nakuha to. Creating higher low and breaking the low. So, we know that price is moving from bullish scenario from here to bearish one. That's just a confirmation natin. So, ayan. And also, there are happenings within like this. A trend within a trend kung tawagin. So, pababa to. Tinig to. Delete na natin to. Okay? From here, taken tong low na to. Kaya tayo dito. Siya na bagong low. High. Low. High. Low. Let's put some label on here. Try natin. So, punta natin. Kata na low. That's high. And HL. Ayan. Diba? Confirmation natin ulit. Market structure shift. Low has been taken. Creating a lower low. Check tayo ng high. If high will be taken or respected. If it this will be taken, and then respect tong low na to, pataas tayo. Simple as that. Next, what we have here is this one. Market structure shifts. From bearish to bullish, need natin displacement, fair value gap, OP, and taken yung mga previous high and low. Yun lang. Nothing too complicated about it. So, in this case, what can we see? We'll be deleting this one. Bang kulay na lang. Displacement. Blue. Press it places. It means meron siyang move, aggressive move up, aggressive move down. After taking this low, low has been taken. This low has been taken. And this one. So, created this one. What are the confirmations that price could move to higher place? This one, fair value gap, and inverse fair value gap. Ito yung mga tinatawag na displacement. May naiiwan siya na unang-una inverse fair value gap or a fair value gap. Either of two. Okay? And also, what satisfies it that tinitik yung high siya here. This high has been taken. Ayan. So, may move na tayo ng structure pataas. So, alam natin, KMSS na. Okay. So, I'll continue this recording. Wait.